Alright guys, so we are back with our Roadmap Journey series. We are now moving into Module 18, titled Business and Content Optimization Tools. And so, as we dive into this one, the first video right off the bat is all about Social Studio. Hannah pretty much says herself that Social Studio is pretty much responsible for how beautiful the roadmap looks. So what they're doing is they're giving you an exclusive offer if you've purchased the roadmap to go ahead and sign on with Social Studio and become a member there. It makes sense, right? This entire module is really about business and content optimization tools. So why not pass on an exclusive offer that the Social Studio is generous enough to offer anybody who's purchased the roadmap, and then you really get an opportunity to kind of see their entire portfolio as you're scrolling through the roadmap itself. So the next one, as you go into the second video, is about ManyChat. So what you're basically going to be learning about ManyChat is how powerful it is, how helpful it would be if you grow your business. Basically, you start getting to a point where you cannot respond to every single message that is coming in, right? You can't respond to every DM. You can't respond to every comment. And so that's where ManyChat comes in. It's a chatbot service that can pretty much be customized to the way that you want it to be, and they'll automate responses to your audience based on, let's say you give a keyword in your video. Let's say the keyword that you give in your video is, hey, if you're interested in this, leave freedom down in the chat. Someone types in the word freedom, ManyChat is going to respond with the link and everything that you need to go ahead and go through the process of getting to that content. So then you're going to move into an introduction into ChatGPT. What Zach is going to do in this first introduction video is just kind of outline what ChatGPT 3.5 is versus the ChatGPT 4, which is the paid version, some of the other betas that they have out. And then you're going to jump into the next video, which is going to be all about using ChatGPT for your emails. So Zach is going to show you how to talk to AI to get the best responses you can possibly get. So you're going to get walked through the entire process of how to communicate with ChatGPT to have ChatGPT help you literally write out all of your email campaign. He's going to go through every step, and from scratch, from a blank page all the way through having a 20 to 30 email campaign. Obviously, you still need to go into those emails and put the humanistic touch on everything, right? But he's going to show you how to do that and how to do it efficiently. So extremely helpful. Definitely one of the best sections of this course. And so if you don't know, outside of what you're going to learn in the course, ChatGPT 4 is really for more of the emotional side of ChatGPT. So you're going to get very great responses from ChatGPT 3.5, which is the free version, but the ChatGPT 4 version, the paid option, is where you're really going to get some emotional responses and really dive deep into some of the psyche of your target audience, figuring out your buyer personas. But I digress. So then you're going to get your introduction into Ubersuggest. Ubersuggest is really just about identifying keywords. That is, as I said in past videos, keywords are becoming one of the most important topics in this space. You have to know the keywords that your audience is searching for in order to come up in search. So you're going to get the full introduction into Ubersuggest. They're going to show you the entire layout, how to navigate everything, what you can do, some of the options that you can do if you are using the paid version of ChatGPT. And then they're going to give you an extensive look into identifying keywords. You're going to bounce around through multiple screens. They're going to show you what you should be doing, what the best practices are, what not to do, and really give you a well-rounded understanding of how to use AI to identify the best keywords to use in your blog posts, in your videos, in your written content, on your website, and create the best SEO situation that you can for yourself in order for your business to come up in search. So, just the same as you went through an entire tutorial of how to craft an email campaign with ChatGPT, you're also going to learn how to write your blog posts with Ubersuggest. So that is another huge feature. If you are a blogger or an upcoming blogger, that is a huge part of the course that you're going to want to make sure that you jump to at some point. So next, you're going to jump into Canva, and they're going to show you how to create the course picture. There's a lot of nonsense out there that all you do is learn how to resell the course in this course, and that's just not true. What they are doing, though, is because it's an option, it's a great tutorial perspective, right? So what they're doing is they're showing you, hey, listen, you have master resale rights. You're going to go ahead and probably use this as your first product in your product suite. And then you're going to round this module out with learning about Loom, Loom. And Loom is basically where you can go and create your own courses, your own how-to guides, your own tutorials. Anyone that you've seen on the internet right now, YouTube, any other courses that you might have taken in the past, if you notice that they have a screen share up and then a little circle, a little square down in the bottom left corner, and their face is talking to you as they're running through the screen share, more than likely it's Loom or something exactly like Loom. So they're going to walk you through how to navigate the whole interface of Loom, how to get that set up. And so if you are somebody that gets to a point where you want to start creating your own courses, that is a huge option. That is a huge part of the course, is for you to go back and make sure that you're watching this video extensively, because it is going to help you out a ton in getting your first steps in the game and into creating your course. And so that's going to do it for this module. So the next module coming up is module 19, which is navigating business challenges. Now, in the Roadmap 2.0, this entire module is blank. Each video that's in there it pretty much says coming soon. So I went in and I checked before I did this video, and sure enough, it does say that on February 28th, when the Roadmap 3.0 launches, all those videos will be available. So we will cover module 19 at a later date once the Roadmap 3.0 has dropped. So in our next video, we will skip ahead to module 20, which is customer service excellence. And we will cover everything that there is in that module. Until next time, guys, thank you and have a great day.